Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 19th to the 23rd of May 2025 on Monday. Zoleka Hlathi and Thumeka have to work together to find Uqhawe. A confrontation leads to more shocking secrets on Tuesday. Uqhawe makes a big decision about her relationship with Mawethu, while Zoleka plays the long game with the Zondos on Wednesday. Uqhawe and Mawethu are caught in a compromising situation. Lwandle ends up with an egg on his face in front of his colleagues and family on Thursday. Things get awkward for Zoleka and Mawethu. Lwandle is left out to dry by his own father. Uqhawe struggles with how to deal with the family fallout on Friday. Lwandle refuses to lie down and take the fall for his father's doing. Secrets are revealed and put strain on Uqhawe and Mawethu to make a fight for what she treasures. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.